Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to see which cars are the best to buy when you're thinking about getting a used car. Before jumping right into the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content. Here are 5 compelling reasons to buy a used car. First up, lower cost and better value. Used cars are significantly cheaper than new ones, saving you thousands of dollars. Plus, there's the depreciation advantage. A new car loses up to 30% of its value in the first year, while used cars depreciate at a slower rate, offering better long-term value. Number 2, reduced insurance costs. Insurance premiums are often based on the car's value, and used cars cost less to replace, leading to lower insurance rates. You also avoid the need for expensive coverage like gap insurance, which is often recommended for new cars. Number 3, more features for your budget. Buying used allows you to afford a higher-end model or a car with premium features like leather seats, sunroofs, or advanced safety technology, all at a lower price than a new base model. Many manufacturers offer certified pre-owned vehicles that undergo rigorous inspections and come with extended warranties, providing the reliability of a new car at a fraction of the cost. Purchasing a used car reduces the environmental impact associated with manufacturing a new vehicle. By extending the life cycle of an existing car, you're contributing to sustainability. Here's a comprehensive guide to 5 used cars to buy with in-depth details about features, maintenance, pricing, and alternatives. First up, the Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a globally trusted car, known for its bulletproof reliability and low cost of ownership. It's perfect for buyers seeking a dependable, economical car for everyday use. As for engine options, you have the 1.8-liter 4-cylinder for most trims, the 2.0-liter Dynamic Force 4-cylinder for sportier trims starting from 2019, and hybrid models from 2019 onwards. When it comes to trim levels, consider the LE for reliability and budget friendliness, the SE for a sportier look and feel, and the hybrid for the best fuel efficiency. Maintenance costs are quite reasonable, with an average annual maintenance cost of around $350 to $400. Plus, you'll benefit from long intervals for oil changes and brake servicing. If you're looking for alternatives, check out the Honda Fit, Nissan Sentra, or Hyundai Elantra. The estimated price range for a used Toyota Corolla is $12,000 to $20,000. Next, we have the Honda Civic. The Civic blends sportiness with practicality, making it one of the most versatile compact cars. It's fuel efficient, handles well, and has a history of lasting over 200,000 miles with proper care. Engine options include the 2-liter 4-cylinder for base trims and the turbocharged 1.5-liter for higher trims. For trim levels, consider the LX for affordability and reliability, the X for luxury features like a sunroof, and the Sport or Touring for a sleek design and better performance. Fuel economy ranges from 32 to 42 miles per gallon depending on the model year and engine type. Maintenance costs average around $400 to $500 annually. However, watch for potential oil dilution issues in turbo engines from 2016 to 2018. Alternatives include the Toyota Corolla, Mazda 3, and Hyundai Sonata. The estimated price range for a used Honda Civic is $14,000 to $22,000. Now let's talk about the Mazda 3. If you're looking for a compact car with a premium interior and sporty driving dynamics, the Mazda 3 is an excellent choice. It's a stylish and fun-to-drive car with strong reliability. Engine options include a 2-liter 4-cylinder as standard and a 2.5-liter Skyactiv for higher trims or newer models. Key features include high-end interior finishes comparable to luxury cars, optional all-wheel drive for 2020 models and beyond, and G-vectoring control for better handling. Trim levels to consider are the Touring, which includes advanced safety and tech features, and the Grand Touring, which offers luxurious touches like leather seats and premium audio. Maintenance costs average around $400 to $550 annually. However, rear seats are smaller compared to rivals. Alternatives include the Honda Civic Subaru Impreza, and Volkswagen Golf. The estimated price range for a used Mazda 3 is $13,000 to $22,000. Next, we have the Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is an excellent compact SUV offering a spacious cabin, high safety ratings, and unbeatable reliability. It's ideal for families and adventurous drivers. Engine options include a 2.5-liter four-cylinder as standard and hybrid models with a combined fuel economy of over 40 miles per gallon. Trim levels to consider are the LE for basic reliability, the XLE for added comfort and convenience features, the Adventure for off-road capability and a rugged design, and the Hybrid for maximum efficiency. Key features include the Toyota Safety Sense Suite with lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, generous cargo space, and available all-wheel drive. Maintenance costs average around $450 to $550 annually. Alternatives include the Honda CR-V, Subaru Forester, and Mazda CX-5. The estimated price range for a used Toyota RAV4 is $18,000 to $30,000. Finally, let's talk about the Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra is a budget-friendly compact sedan packed with features that make it feel like a higher-end car. It's perfect for buyers who want modern technology at an affordable price. Engine options include a 2-liter four-cylinder for most trims, a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine for the Eco trim, and a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine for the Sport trim. Key features include standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from 2017 onwards, available advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, and a spacious cabin for its class. Trim levels to consider are the SE for a budget-friendly entry-level option, the SEL for added comfort and tech, and the Limited for premium features like leather upholstery. Fuel economy ranges from 30 to 41 miles per gallon, depending on the model and trim. Maintenance costs average around $350 to $450 annually. Alternatives include the Nissan Sentra, Kia Forte, and Toyota Corolla. The estimated price range for a used Hyundai Elantra is $10,000 to $18,000. Additional tips for buying used cars. Look for cars that are 2 to 4 years old to avoid the steepest depreciation but still get modern features. Choose certified pre-owned vehicles for added peace of mind, as they come with manufacturer-backed warranties and thorough inspections. Compare insurance quotes for your preferred models. Compact cars like the Corolla or Civic usually have lower insurance premiums. When deciding between private sellers and dealers, keep in mind that private sellers often offer better prices but come with more risk, while dealers provide more protection and financing options. Always test drive a car to check for comfort, noise levels, and any unusual handling issues. Used cars provide better value, lower ownership costs, and flexibility to buy higher quality vehicles for less money. With modern tools and certified pre-owned programs, the risks of buying used are significantly reduced, making it a smart choice for many buyers. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this.